This is a video explaining some very basic navigation in the Bidiomiter Lab software, for example how to save, open and export images, about compression settings, and how to generate workspaces, moreover where to find safety instructions, user manuals, list of keyboard shortcuts, how to change license, and where to find software version information. Then some general information about maintenance of the Bidiomiter Lab, and how to control the movement of the Bidiomiter Lab. When opening the Bidiomiter Lab, this is how the main desktop window looks like. Currently, some images of sugar beets are opened on the desktop as seen in the video. In the header of the Bidiomiter Lab window is displayed the current license and workspace. From the File menu, it is possible to open and close images. It is also from the File menu that the HIPS images are saved. HIPS is the Bidiomiter Lab default image format. If the image should be saved in a different format, choose Export and select a file type. It is possible to print the open images as well. Under Page Setup, the page layout for printing can be edited. Print Preview allows the user to see the page layout before printing. Under Print, the printing job is assigned to a printer and submitted. In the File menu, shortcuts to the last open images are found listed in the button. Under Compression Options, it is possible to change the default image format that is generated when taking an image with the Bidiomiter Lab. For example, choosing and applying very high quality, the images will be created in a 12-bit PNG format, where the corresponding reflectance precision and image size is listed in the window to the right, relative to the non-compressed original HIPS image format. Going to Preferences and then under View tab, a selection of image displaying settings is listed. These settings can be changed depending on the user needs. Under the Folder tab, shortcuts to different workspaces and other Bidiomiter Lab folders are found. From this menu, it is also possible to create new workspaces. Under the Other tab, more specialized settings are listed. These can be changed if the user finds it necessary, but in general, these are the default and most optimal settings. Directly from the File menu, it is also possible to create new workspaces. Workspaces are used to separate files and images from different projects. Choose a name and a root folder. When you open the workspace, you will see a folder structure created automatically for the new workspace. There will be folders for blobs, images, classification models, sessions, etc. This structure makes it easier for the user to keep track of all the files and results related to different projects. In the Bidiomiter Lab header menu, you also find a Help menu. Here, one finds a direct link to the Bidiomiter webpage, new software releases, and the FTP download site. On FTP download, the user can find all kinds of material related to the Bidiomiter Lab. Videos, tutorials, presentation, code, manuals, software, etc. Furthermore, one can find a link to remote support. There is a link to the Standard Operating Procedure PDF. There is a list of shortcuts to the user manuals. Under Safety Instructions and then Bidiomiter Lab Desktop is found a PDF with safety instructions for the device. Under the Help menu, one also finds PC requirements and the end user license agreement. A list of keyboard shortcuts can be found. These are also listed on the mousepad, which comes with the instrument. Changing license for the device is also done through the Help menu. Under About, the current software version is displayed, together with a list of the different plugins that comes with the license. Now to the movement of the device. To control the movement of the device, go to Movement under Imaging Device, Here you find an up and a down button. Under the Settings tab, the position for up and down can be defined and set. For example, as shown in the video, the device is moved to a position of 50 mm, and when pressing Learn Up, this now becomes the new up position for the dome when taking images. In the same way, the down position can be set to something else than 0 mm. In the video, it is for example set to 20 mm. The maximum height that can be obtained is 90 mm. Now we will have a look at maintenance. In general, the Videometer Lab device is really easy to maintain and requires very little service. There are just some few general rules and guidelines. It is very important to keep the inside of the Videometer Lab clean. This means that at all times one should be aware not to get grease and dirt into the Videometer Lab dome. The inside of the dome is painted with some very expensive and sensitive white paint. It is this perfectly white surface which ensures that the light is correctly diffused inside the dome, so that the device can capture the high quality images. Therefore, it is highly recommended to keep the dome closed when not in use, especially if the device is placed in dusty areas or labs. In the case where the device would need cleaning, contact Videometer for further guidance.